Hello? Hello? Oi! About to order 100 nuggets. 100 nuggets. 100.
Hopefully we don't get turned down.
Go putting your order, please.
Yeah, could we have, you know, the nugget boxes?
20 nuggets.
Yeah, could we have 100 nuggets?
You want 5 of those boxes?
Yeah.
Yep, and any sauces?
Yeah, could you have all barbecue, please?
Yep, anything else for you?
No, that's everything.
Yeah, just check your order on the screen.
Yeah.
That's correct. Drive and text window, please.
Thank you.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mitch with Twin Prodigy here. We are doing the 100 nugget challenge video. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Alright, let's start. Let's get straight. I'm gonna pick our barbecue sauce because that's what we need it.
Yeah.
Get our dips.
Nothing else. We're only 1 glass of water as well. Nothing else.
Yeah.
And if we go for another glass of water, you're automatically disqualified. And then you're gonna have to do a forfeit.
It's a forfeit, yeah. If you can't eat this, we're gonna be doing it.
And if you can't eat it as well, yeah.
Yeah, that is true.
Right, so.
I'm ready.
Yeah,
I'm starving as well.
3, 2, 1, go.
I went straight in. I literally just went straight in. Alright, we gotta do this, yeah, guys. We gotta do this.
Alright, just try right.
I've been hungry for a while.
I'm going full on 2.
Really? Maybe have to finish it all. Because we'll all have to do a forfeit. Which is the rest of the part, basically.
Oh yeah, because we all have to finish it, innit? I'm already full.
No, it can't be full. You just started. Nowhere near can be full.
I knew I was going to fuck this up.
It's all good. All good. It costs us...
2 at a time?
Yes, well, it costs us £19, how much? £19.95?
Yeah.
For McDonald's to get it's 5 boxes of 20. So if you think about it, it's not actually...
That expensive.
Yeah, exactly. It's not really that expensive, is it?
Yeah,
but
alright, I think we should get to the updates now and tell the audience.
Yeah.
Yeah, what we're going to be doing for the next few videos.
I dropped in the sauce.
Alright.
Can you start off?
Yeah. So, me and Aaron, we're going to be going on a trip to New York, and from that we will be getting so much content. But in that meantime, leading up to the Monday that we leave, we're going to have the exact same videos on both channels, but edited in a different way, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll hand you over to Mitch now.
Well, what are you going to hand me over?
Oh shit. Put that in video.
No, really. I put some funny stuff on, don't worry about it.
It took me so long to come to that.
Huh?
When you were like, oh, what are you going to hand over to?
What are you hand over?
What's
so good. Like the forfeit. You know what? We've actually not thought about the forfeit. So whilst now, look, whilst we're eating, we can figure out forfeit.
We're not going to say what it is, you guys just going to have to wait and see.
Yeah, you're waiting and see at the end. No, if we win.
Yeah, if we win.
If we win, obviously we've got this. If we don't win, then obviously we've got the forfeit, which we'll see at the end.
I'm not even thinking about this, I'm just trying to dash them down.
Come on, we've been eating quite a bit.
I'm not even counting, I was counting at the start. I was at 5 and now I forgot.
What was you eating?
It looks like so much more than it actually is, but to be honest, yeah, one of us is going to eat more than the other.
Yeah, well, as long as we finish it as a team.
Yeah.
It's the main one. We got to finish it as a team.
You're going to speed up, man, come on. Twin power.
No, for this video we actually weren't even going to use dips.
Yeah.
But then we thought, you know what, it would be too dry. It would be so dry to not use dips. Literally, so dry. So we had to use dips for barbecue sauce and everything. You should try it out yourself actually. If you can get past 20, I'd wait for getting past 20 because some people out there can't get past 20 nuggets. So if you can get past 20 nuggets, you should definitely try the challenge out for yourself.
I'm gonna try and freaking work out in my bloody bedroom every morning. I
can't even get past 20 nuggets. I struggled on the last one.
It feels like I've already eaten more than 20. I'm pretty sure I have eaten more than 20, yeah.
I could just eat 33 each and there'll be 1 left.
Yeah.
I'm going to do our time, but I'm faster.
I'm going to try that.
Oh yeah, right. Back to what you were saying earlier about obviously Twin Prodigy obviously going to New York and stuff. So obviously all the footage will be out on their channel.
We got about probably 8 to 10 videos out of it, so we're going to make sure there's proper good content. Yeah. It'll be journeys going to look at things like Statue of Liberty, Empire State Building and stuff like that, so make sure you stay tuned for that. At
the moment we're actually going to be bringing out the same content, so on his channel and my channel we'll actually be the same content. That's only because obviously we're only using 1 camera at the moment, because we only have 1 camera at the moment. But as soon as they're back from New York, they're going to have their fresh camera as well, so that'd be wicked. So we'll bring out more videos, but we're going to bring out more videos for their channel and and more videos for my channel as well. So it won't be the same content as soon as they're back from New York. It'll be different content. So.
But we'll be doing videos together.
Yeah.
So don't worry about that.
Yeah. Always together. So it'll be good. It'll be more entertaining for you guys as well, especially for you guys.
If you guys are watching this video and got up to this point right now, look, there's still that many nuggets, and it feels like we've been going on for ages.
We've been going on for time. Yeah.
I can't do this.
Oh shit!
I forgot we got about 20 of these sauces. Didn't we?
Yep.
That one's done.
I've only used one. I shit myself.
This is definitely man versus. I swear they've given us more deliberately. It feels like they've given us more deliberately.
I think we can do it. Trust me, we can do it. It can't be that bad.
Now you're gonna double team now.
Fuck, man.
Surprisingly, Aaron usually eats more than me, but at this point I'm eating a lot more than he is.
You're drinking your water already? I'm not touching my water. I'm literally just yamming it. Just 3 of us. 3 of us versus 100 of us. If we lose, we're just
Pussies.
yeah, basically, yeah. I
am actually dying.
Well, I would wish if any of you guys can just come through and literally just take about a handful of nuggets. come along, take some nuggets.
Help us out,
Help
please.
us out, guys. Give us all the support that we need for these nuggets.
Yeah.
Hopefully we should do
It looks like more's growing. I'm like, it's killing me now, man.
This ain't going down, I swear.
It's not going down.
I don't know.
I don't know, it looks like there's like 40 nuggets left. Oh.
I can't wait to bring out some more content though. Like literally, we're planning like stuff so much.
Yeah, loads
like,
of skits coming.
Loads of skits coming. Yeah. Loads of skits. We'll actually be doing some gaming videos, mainly skits, and mainly exploring as well. So make sure you stay tuned for that as well.
Feels like I'm gonna explode. You're gonna have such a nice sleep.
No, I'm gonna go in the toilet.
Bang.
The toilet's gonna be finished.
That toilet, that's my enemy tonight. That toilet. I'm here.
I'm just gonna think I'm not full. I'm not full.
It's not a game anymore.
I'm not full.
It's not a game. Hope you guys are having a good day there, overall. Obviously, we're here losers, spending our time eating 100 nuggets.
To entertain people.
But I love that part.
Entertain
That is the best part about it. But
look at my damn.
better than eating 100 nuggets.
When we finish this,
Yeah.
we have to dab 10 times.
Look at my damn. Look at my damn.
Good dab.
Nugget dab. Come on, man. Come
on.
Checking on
For
water.
the team. For the team. We gotta do it for each other.
So close to being done.
No, we're not nowhere near done yet. But if you guys have any other ideas for challenges or anything, just write a comment down below, let us know, and we'll obviously try it out for ourselves as well. See how that goes. What are you doing?
My water's finished.
You finished your water? I'm not even touched mine yet.
Oh my god, I'm finished.
Unfortunately, we're not allowed to share waters.
know.
Although I would, man.
Yeah.
I really would. But in this challenge, we are not allowed.
I'm eyeing up that water. I'm joking.
I'm taking this water. Oh, that's disgusting. I don't want to have my nugget at the same time.
Noted though, we did eat before this.
Yeah, we did.
That's what makes it even harder.
Well,
In a way, to be honest, people say we don't eat, it makes it harder. But I don't know.
you know what? We're not going to make any excuses. But we're going to finish this, guys. We've got this. We've got this locked now.
It feels like I'm gonna puke.
Pick it. There's not on the nuggets.
Yeah.
That's actually we should expect it. Ooh, what's going on? Get him in. Out of nowhere. Ooh. I think I got possessed. Abandoned them 1850s house video.
You know, they come back to haunt us.
That actually wouldn't be fun.
No, that was scary.
Yeah, that was scary. Oh my god. This is actually messed
I
up.
can't do this, man. Oh shit.
I am sure. Stop.
We are gonna have to finish it, but we never said in the rules that we're not allowed to take a few minute break.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take advantage of that. That we forgot to say anything about that.
But the break can't be that long.
1, 2 minutes.
Yeah. As long as other teammates are eating.
No, I'd say 2 minutes to let the food settle down. Do this, yeah? We'll split it evenly now, yeah? We'll split it evenly because it looks so much better in it. It'll be easier to eat as well. We're not giving up, man. We can't do this for it. I ain't losing.
There's about 30 now.
About 30 now. Yeah. So do 10 each.
10 each. Oh my god. I've been stuffing 2 at the same time.
3,
This is crazy.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, yeah. So it looks super cheesy now.
So I got 9.
It does
I got
not
9.
look easy.
I got 9. Just half it.
No, because you have had less than me, mate.
Half into 3, isn't it?
Nah, I'm not. I've got 10 as it is. This is yours. That is yours. I've got 10 as it is. I am so stuffed, guys.
Oh my god, that piece is actually nice. Oh fuck.
Okay, I need my break.
Yeah, take it. I'll put it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do my break. I need like 2 minutes, and I've literally rinsed my water as well.
Alright,
Damn.
back. 2 minutes starts now.
I think
Oh
we
my
can do
God.
this.
We can do it. We can. Yeah, we have to. We have to do it. Even though I feel messed up right now, I feel bloated. I literally feel so bloated. It's so good. So good.
I genuinely feel so good.
Really.
That proper.
That's
But
good.
I'm gonna eat this.
That's good. You got one at 8 This is where it starts getting quiet because I'm stuck.
I was just trying to focus on finishing these last ones.
Yeah, you focus. How long have we got? That's about time.
The water's fanning the water. Let's go down.
Time. Right, we're gonna get through this. 10 more. Do it for you guys. Do it for all you peeps out there. I can't.
You can do it, man. Come on, you can do it.
I need a fresh sauce. Sauce.
Shorts.
Not good for your health. Not good
I
for
actually
anything.
feel like crying, you know.
I feel like taking a shit.
I just.
Oh, this is nasty. You know when you have so much, yeah.
I don't think I'm gonna
You
enjoy
start
chicken
getting
nuggets
sick of
ever
it.
again.
You literally start getting sick.
I'm not lying. I don't think I'm actually gonna enjoy chicken nuggets ever again.
Me neither, man. Me neither. I can't handle it. I can't handle it at all.
No, do it, man. You can do it. I'm doing it, and I feel like shit, man. Yo, you know your time, your 2 minutes wasn't even up.
Was
It's
it?
like, no.
Oh, fuck it. Forget it. Forget it. It's got the last 10. You can do it. Still got it.
We can do this, yeah. Oh, you bastard.
I bet you.
1, 2, 3, 4,
How many you got left?
7.
How many you got left, man? You can't recap right again.
8.
Hey.
I've already eaten 1.
Oh my god, it's killing.
Put the world. I think it feels like I put the world in my mouth and it's gonna come out the other end. All the little people.
And I'm trying to use like breathing techniques or something to try and make me feel better. It's not working.
I'm going in, guys. I'm going in.
How does he do what?
This chair's pissing me off, man.
Yo, that must be. Oh, you can't do that.
I'm gonna have to do it. There's no way I'm gonna get
Yo,
through.
watch that. I can't watch that.
Come in. Go on.
That's going into my mouth. I have to do that. I have to do that first.
Just eat it. I'm struggling to finish one.
We're so close. We can't give up. We can't.
I'm giving up.
No. No, we're doing it. Oh my god.
Even if I feel sick, record it.
Yeah, literally. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, it's actually so good. Okay, let's go. We're doing this. We're doing the 4-decker. I don't know why I call it the 4-decker, but it's just the name.
You can call it the quad nugget. Quad nugget. Oh, really?
But half of it.
How does it taste?
Oh my god.
Nah.
I gotta use this.
The barbecue sauce tastes like shit, innit?
Oh my god.
It tastes like
Oh,
shit.
God.
I think even having it without the barbecue sauce doesn't even help.
I can't do it.
We have to. Yeah. We're so close.
Remember, we all have to do a forfeit, so you best finish that shit, I swear. You best finish that shit, I swear.
My bones are slow.
Come on. Come on.
How many are you on?
4 and oh my gosh, that's really
It feels like I'm gonna be sick in it.
sick. Yeah.
Same, man.
Wow.
I've never felt like this, but
No,
in my
but-
life, and swear down, man, seriously.
It's disgusting. It gets to the point where you can literally.
Have
smell it right now.
when we freaking first started recording this, it smells so nice.
I know it's my
It smells like shit now.
I can't laugh right now.
Oh my God.
I feel my belly like. Ooh.
Yeah.
Holy God, burn the fuck out.
Yeah, you don't even have. I think I'm gonna puke.
There's a bowl right there.
I got the ball.
The bowl
I
is
can't
nasty.
do it, man.
Come on!
Take another bite and try and swallow it, it's going to come back up, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's what it feels like.
That's what it feels like. Yeah, literally. It's so messed up. I got this how.
Look, I don't want to swallow it right now.
Look, I got this and this, and I'm done. I'm doing it.
Then you can help us eat it.
No,
Yeah, please.
You have to. It's a team.
No.
It's a team game, I mean. You gotta help each other. We're gonna help you. I can't even. Oh my god. This is disgusting.
Try hold your nose. Try pinch your nose and swallow it. I'm being honest. I would actually help. I'm gonna try it. I'm trying it.
We'll try it. You try it, then we'll try it as soon as you try it.
I don't think that's going to work.
It don't fucking work. It makes me feel worse. Oh.
My bit is about to explode, I swear. I
I
swear.
think I'm going to give up.
I don't want to do forfeit, but if you have to, then you gotta. This is, oh my god. You actually don't understand, guys. This is danger. This is torture right here. Oh man, we might have to do a forfeit, guys.
No, don't give up, please.
This is,
No, don't know this.
I don't want to give up. I don't ever want to give up. This is something. It's killing me.
We've eaten so many nuggets. And we
That's so
can't,
many. I know.
we can't give up now, can't we, please? I'm actually gonna cry. Oh, fuck.
Sorry. Amazing. So good.
Oh my gosh.
Right, we're gonna do
I've
it.
pushed myself to a limit, man. I can do this. I can't even open the barbecue sauce.
I don't want to open the barbecue sauce.
I'm finished, man. Come on.
I swear I think I'm done. I swear I think I'm done.
Give yourself another minute rest. Because that's what you had. Oh, fuck.
I think I need a whole day or two rest.
You know what? I think because it's a lot harder than we expected, I think we get to bend the rules a bit and we can have another glass of water.
Okay.
Yeah. I think we should do that because being honest, the dip's just going to make us sick and we don't want to feel sick. So I think we should have
True. Yes, that's fine. That's fine by me.
No, we ain't going to complain anyway. I wanted that dairy milk as well.
Oh, my belly. Healing. Literally.
It tastes like shit.
It tastes like shit.
It tastes like raw meat.
It does. It's because we're still
Raw meat, raw chicken.
God. Oh, I need this right now. I don't think this is gonna help. Because I'm still literally like.
Oh my god, I feel sick.
I don't feel like I don't want to put it in my mouth. I really don't feel like.
Yeah. Just try, please.
I'm pretty sure I'm done. Don't.
Don't you look at this? You're still sitting there, man.
Oh my god, is that green where you got? Oh
Yeah,
my
but you want to
god.
feel sicker than that.
This is nasty.
Oh, I fucking dropped water on myself.
I think I might leave it now. I don't want to feel sick. And especially if I can't.
Oh.
Especially when everyone watching this. You're not gonna enjoy
I'm doing this.
Especially someone good sick.
I can't do this.
That's what I'm saying.
No!
So someone needs to. Oh my god, you're doing it.
That is nasty.
You're doing it.
man. That is nasty. Please don't feel sick. He doesn't want it. He doesn't want it. You can't do it. You're making me feel so sick right now.
Oh my god. This is crazy. Fine, I'm gonna do it. I'm doing it.
I can't do it. No, don't. No.
We're doing this as a team. We can't even understand what we're saying.
Oh.
We're doing this together.
Oh god.
I ain't giving up. We're all gonna do this. Even you, Aaron. Come on.
This is nasty.
Most disgusting thing I've ever had in my life. And I actually thought I had more disgusting things. I would never think I'd hate nuggets.
I can't do it. This is can't do
I
it.
can't do it.
I'm not gonna force you anymore because I know how you feel.
We got far though. We got really far. It was this close.
I'm giving up now.
This close.
I'm done. I'm sorry, I can't do it.
Yeah. I think I'm done too, guys. I'm literally done.
It feels like it's gonna come back up. I'm not risking it, man.
No, I'm risking that as well. This is literally so hard. This is so hard, literally. Don't try it at home.
I don't think I'm
Don't.
ever going to do anything like that in my life again.
Okay, let's see how many glad you had. You had 1, 13. So, it's 13 left actually. 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 nuggets left. So technically we had 100 minus 16 is 84. 84 nuggets. Now we've got a forfeit tomorrow. So, we're fucked.
Alright guys, we're back. It's the next day, and obviously with further challenges you guys will know now. So our forfeit will be eating these chilies. We have to consume the whole thing in one bite, and we're not allowed water. Well, no, we have to let it burn. That's basically the forfeit. Yeah. So it's gonna burn a lot. To the countdown.
3,
2.
Wait, should we take off the ends first?
3,
2.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
It's alright, go ahead. 3,
I'm scared of
2.
this fucking chili.
alright, 3,
2.
1.
go.
Oh yeah. It touched the back of my throat.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. It's so spicy. Your eyes are watering.
This is not
He's
good.
going in, look at him.
Oh my god, I swallowed it. That's hot.
Okay.
That's hot. Ah, Batman. I bet man, that's spicy.
I'm good.
Oh, nope. I don't know about that.
I'm dying. My lips finished. Oh fuck.
This is spicy. This is spicy. This is dangerous. This is like the twins are doing the same thing. Oh,
We should have done this.
you shut up on that.
I think I need water.
I think is that it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. We ate all the chilies, guys. As you can see, you can't even see them all here. But hope you enjoyed the video. Smash that like button if you didn't subscribe already. Go smash that subscribe button down below. I will see you in the next video. Peace.